Hi, good morning. I hope all are doing good. Today we are going to see how we can create a website inside the SiteGround and how to install the WordPress fresh website. So let's get started. I already logged in to my SiteGround account. So I'm going to click the WordPress website and here I'm going to click the new website. When you click the website, if you have more than one active hosting like here, so currently I have only one active hosting. If you have more than one, so when you click the new website, it will ask to choose the hosting services. So after the selecting, you will get into uh, this area. So it will ask whether you want a new domain or existing domain or temporary domain. If you click the new domain, so it will redirect you to search and purchase the domain. Or if you click the existing domain, it will ask to connect the existing domain. So for now, this case, we are going to use the temporary domain which is available on SiteGround, and this is very really handy. So select currently this domain is available. So just select and continue. So it will asking when you start new website or migrate website. So I just skip and create blank site, and those are the add-ons. If you want, you can have a look, and if you like to use, just add them to your installation. But in this case, I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use any of these kind of add-ons. Just click finish. So it will take up to 2 minutes to create our website. So let me post my video and get back to you once it's done. Yeah, the site has been created successfully. So if I go to this URL, we can see, yeah, our site is created. So let's now try to install WordPress. So just click to go to the site tools. On this menu, just go to the WordPress and install and manage. Select WordPress, make it as a default, and this is the your WordPress login username, password, and email. So for my this case, I'm going to add admin pass. Yeah, admin's not allowed. Admin user password also. Admin user. So just untick this WordPress starter add-on. Just inst. Yeah, forgot the email address. Just Nohman at test.com install. So let me pause the video and get back to you once the word. Yeah, it's already done. So now you can see our word fresh WordPress has been installed successfully. So if I come to my website again, just refresh. Here we go. The first updated WordPress has been installed successfully. If you want to log into the backend, either you can click from here or on the three cap up menu. Under the next to the cap up menu, there's option to log into admin panel. Just click the admin panel, login. and it will automatically log into our backend. Yeah, now we are in WordPress backend. So let me change the one of the active theme. Currently, the 2025 theme activated slow. So let me try to activate 2024. Activate. Yeah, now the 2024 theme has been successfully activated. Let's come to the WordPress site. Refresh. Yeah, you can see now the layout has been changed successfully. So that's it, guys. This is how very easy to install, create the website, install the WordPress inside the SiteGround. Feel free to ask if you have any questions in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you.